Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, and I think the wave 3 is over. I think we're in a wave 4 right now, so this is most likely over the next probably 8 months to a year or so, going to make a very corrective overlapping pattern, probably down to around the 178.5 or possibly even lower. I think the 178.5 at the 50% Fibonacci level is the most likely scenario for this to end the wave forward, head back up, and make a wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, very impulsive move down, as you can see. I personally think this is very clearly a wave A of wave 4 for sure. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it has been going up fairly strong. I still think there's a pretty good possibility that eventually it is going to make another push down, though, because to me it still looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it needs to make a wave 5 just to finish off this wave A of wave 4. Taking all that into consideration, going down to the lower time frames, the 4 hour time frame is where I got the Fibonacci retracement on the last push down from the last end of a crescent way up here. Now this move up does look more trend-like, but if you look at other yen pairs, most of the other yen pairs definitely look very corrective. So I am definitely watching very closely these Fibonacci levels for a big bounce and a big break of structure. If I do see that, I definitely will take a short. If I don't see it, then I will continue to either wait or possibly look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you are a short time frame trader trading like the 1 hour time frame and below, then you definitely could have been looking for longs over the last couple of weeks. There's definitely been some pretty profitable long opportunities ever since we had that break of structure back here at the beginning of last week. Now, if not, then you are probably waiting patiently for a Fibonacci bounce and a nice engulfing move to the downside, nice break of structure to go short for the end of this correction and continuation of the downtrend. I still think it is likely a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, especially looking at all yen pairs for correlated pairs. So if you are a very short time frame trader, you could continue to look for longs until you actually see this picture right here. If not, then you're probably waiting for the Fibonacci bounce to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join your free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.